I'm so bored. I bet someone here is really bored out of their mind and want to be a loser today. Hey, where'd you come from? I'm really bored out of my mind and I want to be a loser today. Okay, what do you want to do? I don't know. Oh, I got it! What is it? Let's go to Taco Bell! Wanna go? I have a, wait, what do you call it? I have a Jeep. No thanks. Can I just sit here because I'm all fat and lazy, you know? Okay. So, can you just bring the taco to me? Sure thing. Be right back. 2 hours later. What took you so long? Long line? Okay, I admit I had to use the bathroom. Okay, that's a really lame excuse. So where's my taco? Oh, here it is. You idiot! That's a carrot. Oh yeah, they didn't have any tacos left. What? Yeah. I got this carrot for $5.99, and they had an egg salad, and that egg salad is made with real bird eggs. I thought you didn't. Bird eggs! I want that! Oh. Want me to get the egg salad? Sure. Are you gonna finish that carrot? Sure. No thank you, I changed my mind. Oh, okay. I'll, go to Taco Bell and get the egg salad. Okay. 2 hours later. Again. What took you so long this time? Did you have to use the bathroom? Long line? Okay, I admit it! I went to Burger King! You what? I, went to Burger King and because I didn't feel like going to Taco Bell again. What is wrong with you? Everything. Get out of here. I need to hire someone else smarter than you. Fine. That's the way you want it. Canoe! Oh. Well, now that's taken care of. Hey, where'd you come from? I don't know, I'm bored. I came from underwater. Whoa! If you're supposed to be in water, how are you supposed to survive? Wake up! Ah! A, B, C, D, E. Shut up! Oh, sorry. Want me to go jump off the cliff now? That's what you want, okay. Okay! Oh! Ooh, a bike! What? I can't move! Someone help!